How to add an intro video to your YouTube channel the updated way. Hey guys, today I will be showing you how you can add an intro video to your YouTube channel. So first off, you're just going to log on to your YouTube account on YouTube, and on the top right side of your screen, you're going to have your profile picture. So you're just going to click on your profile picture over here. And once you have clicked on your profile picture, you're just going to click on your channel. Once you click on your channel, this will open up your channel, and you can see this is what this random channel looks like. Now, after that, you're just going to click on Customize Channel, and this will open up a new tab. So in this new tab, you can see you have your channel customization, and on the left side of your screen, you have your layout. Now, below that layout, the first thing you're going to see is the video spotlight over here. And within your video spotlight, you're just going to have two options. So a featured video for returning subscribers and a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. And for the intro video is basically the top video on the channel homepage, and it is going to be the channel trailer. So you're just going to click on the first option, the channel trailer for people who have not subscribed. You're going to click on add over here, and then whatever your uploads are, it's going to show you all of your uploads. This random channel only has 2 uploads, so I'm just going to select this upload over here, and you're just going to add whatever intro video you want, and then you're going to click on publish over here. And now once you have made these changes, you can click on view channel, and now you can see that the video has now been added as the intro video to my YouTube channel. That is how simple and easy it is to add your own intro video. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next video.